Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are in a bus and we're going to be going to a really awesome event today called Sweet Sweet. We're in New York City. Yeah, look at this. We have the whole bottom to ourselves. Probably because the top is cooler. Like well, literally cooler like temperature, and also you can get to see out. So maybe Melissa and Gwen will go up in a minute. I'll watch Jagger. We'll take turns and get a nice little view of New York City. I guess you can kind of see out the front a little bit. It's all shaded down here, which is nice, I guess, for privacy, or I don't know why it would be nice. But I think we'll go up and check it out. So we did the hop on, hop off, and it was way too hot. It was like 90 something degrees and no air conditioning, so we were super sweaty. The baby was super sweaty. We ended up getting off a little bit early and got a Uber the rest of the way here because of the air conditioning. And we came to a little bowling alley to get some food just right next to the event at Sweet Sweet. So we're super excited because we had come to this event a couple years ago, and I know how awesome it is, and I think Gwen is gonna have an awesome time. So we're gonna go to the event right now and I'll show you guys what it's all about. So I love how much LOL stuff we've already seen. That's absolutely one of Gemma's favorites, and Gretchen's, and sometimes Gwen. So this soldier here has been on duty since last night at the FAO Schwartz event, and you're not gonna get past him.
Oh no, I take care of all the toys at FAO and at Sweet Sweet, and I've seen some really spectacular new toys. You're gonna love it.
So there's a ton of really cool vendors, and they're just kind of showing the new toys they have coming out for like this Christmas, going into the fourth quarter. And it's all really cool stuff. Like, you know, I grew up playing with, you know, G.I. Joe and He-Man, and they've got a lot, even they have like some of the throwback stuff. There's this brand called, what's it called here? World's Smallest. You've probably seen it, but they have like miniatures of Transformers and things like that. And I just think that's so cool. Check out these Squishmallows that are coming out. Jack and Sally, there's seasonal ones, Oogie Boogie, Great Big Mammoth. I love these. These are great. We are at the Poppet station over here. Poppet Pets. Check it out.
And there's like different themes for each one. And then inside there comes a card and a Poppet in it.
Oh, so it's different areas. Stratospace, Critter Bay.
And they come with little ones. They're so cute.
I like those. Look at this one. Tail. Those are cool. You gonna open one up?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what we got.
Oh, it's a seahorse.
I like it.
So
that's a good one.
I can jump through this. And it comes with a card, and then there's sticker
Peekaboo! Oh.
I like that one.
Peekaboo! Oh yeah, all right. Scout's not so bad. Got a little land shark here. Uh-oh, look out. That's pretty awesome. So I was just checking out a really cool booth I liked. It had all like the superheroes, and it had Into the Multiverse. I'm actually gonna bring you over there real quick. You can see how many booths and how much is going on here. But it has like Sully and like Buzz Lightyear. Look at these things, how cool are these? And you got a Genie from Aladdin. I don't know, I just think they're such cool figures. I think they're pretty great. Yeah, look what Deadpool found.
Look at that.
Baby shark.
They have a whole line now. What is going on?
So now we're over here in Leapfrog and VTech and all sorts of cool things.
Which is like awesome. We love them. I was just telling one of the girls that like is the PR person here that like we literally have every single one of their toys for our kids. So I'm really excited. I'm starting to put together my list for gift guides for this upcoming season. If you guys are like longtime viewers, and you know that I always do that, so I'm really excited, and I'm seeing some really cool stuff. Also, Gwyneth, I don't know if she told you, honey, but Gwyneth has found like the coolest stuff at each booth. Nice. Like she goes in and she's like, this is it. She's like, this is gonna be the thing. This is like the Christmas thing. Like she knows what's up. So I don't even know where she is. She's like walking around right now, making friends. She's having a good time though, so that's good.
And we found you getting some pretzels, little snack. Good. I think I gotta get a little snack too. Maybe a little grilled cheese. Or what are you snarfing on? I think you have grilled cheese and pretzels and all that. Oh, what happened?
I got my hand painted, but then I put on hand sanitizer and it washed away. So I had to go to the bathroom and take it off. So cute. Nice.
Jagger will be coming home with one of these soon. It's pretty fantastic. So Gwen and I are recharging a little bit. I got a little coffee, and oh, it's super full. I didn't think you were gonna lift it, but got some kind of cool green tea. Just taking a breath. There's so many. I'm like a kid in a candy store. I'm like a kid in a toy store.
I got a lot of stuff.
Right? She got a bunch of stuff, slime, things like that. You can also check out on Instagram. I think Melissa put up a bunch of stories and pictures of things we're doing. And speaking of kid in a toy store, the video we put up, FAO Schwartz, we had a private event there, and we were literally kids in a toy store. So that was pretty awesome. So now we're gonna walk around a little bit more. We haven't talked to everybody because sometimes the booths are like super busy. So we're gonna kind of make another lap. We'll probably go check out Nintendo again. LOL for sure. Like I think did you get any LOL loot for your sisters?
I don't think so. There was mostly like posters of it.
Yeah, posters and stuff. So yeah, we're just gonna go check it out. This is awesome. Oh, this is my favorite one here, the Reese's one.
I love hers.
Styling and profiling. This is awesome. These are LOL. These are mini sweets. We already have a ton of these, but come on. Look at this. This is crazy. It's so cool. Oh, Whoppers down there.
So I was over here earlier, and the girl told me that in each one of these boxes there's a fairy, and they're also fidgets, and these are fairy catchers. So you press the button and you look for fairies around your yard, and then you catch them, and there's a whole bunch of different fairies that you can catch. And I thought Jumbo was lovely.
That is cool. So you catch the fairies in your yard, and then you have them in the little lanterns.
And these ones are for the baby fairies.
Oh my gosh.
So there's new ones that are babies.
Cute.
They're so cute.
So it's winding down here. They're kind of taking all the booths down. Jagger has been sleeping for way too long, so I'm kind of afraid that he's not going to sleep great tonight. Have kind of an infinity mirror here. Kind of cool. Gwen's a little bit tired. I know she's run down. Had an awesome time. Sweet Sweet was fantastic. Saw lots of cool toys and like, not even like toys and stuffed animals and games and VR stuff. Right? So a whole bunch of stuff that we're going to take a look at, and it was just a really, really great time. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not following us on Instagram and TikTok, feel free to check us out, and we will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.